Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you the fuse box locations of a BMW E46. We had some problems with this car and I found the fuse box locations, and there was a hidden one, and I'm going to show you where it is hidden so you can look for yourself. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service to Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, the first one is the glove box in the car. I'm going to show you. This is the list. I'm going to focus on this for about 10 seconds so you can look for yourself if you're searching for any fuse. Here I can see the cigarette lighter over here. One moment. Yes, that's over here on the right side of the. So I'm going to focus on this for a few seconds, so if you're searching for a fuse you can look for yourself. And this is the fuse area. You have to open it by turning these two buttons over here. Yes, they're closed, so you have to turn them to the right. Also this one to the left and it pops out. This is the first main fuse box area in the glove compartment. The second one was a bit difficult. There are a few fuses for me to find that's hidden in this area. You have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and open this box, and as you can see there are 5 hidden fuses in this area. And this is the engine fuses for the engine area, and the other for the glove compartment is all the accessories of this car. I hope this helped you. This was difficult for me to find, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, bye bye.